Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to pass list to a function in Python. All objects are passed by reference, and we will see example how to pass an entire list to a function. I will define a function first. So our function name will be, first I'm going to add a def, and then our function name, and this will be mul list, and it will take a list of items, and here I'm going to use a range for I in range length items. We are going to loop through each element of the list and multiply that element with the 5. So this will be over here items, I then multiply with number 5. Now we can create our list. List 1, and with some numbers 1 to 5. And now we can call our function mul list and then pass in our list 1. After this, we are going to print our list by using print function and pass in our list 1. Now we can run our program and check the output. Our function mul list receive items parameter, which is a reference to the original list. So the statement in the loops should modify each element in the original object. So we can see the new elements of our list, which are multiplied by 5 over here in our function mul list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.